don't mind Ty, he's tuning his ukulele that I just got him for our anniversary / his birthday, I guess. But this is what he got me for my anniversary / birthday and even Christmas, I guess. Because this is hella expensive, but oh my god. I wanted this for the longest time. I'm doing a little unboxing. Don't mind my pimple too, because I have this like pimple patch. I'm trying it out. But yeah, I got the Dyson. I haven't fully opened it yet. I wanted to take a break to open it with you guys. So this is how it looks like. This is how the box looks like. Yeah, and he got this straight from Dyson, right? Mm-hmm. And it just opens up like this. Yo, this is like actually really hard to get, this color. I really wanted this color for the longest time. There was a pink one too, but like this color though, I'll put it down below, but that's the color that I really wanted. So it just looks like this. It looks like super packaged, super nice. And I'll take some of these contents out.
I'll tell you what it is. So that's the brush and the comb. I'll put this. I don't know what these are. I'm just gonna put on the floor for now.
This is huge. I think that's okay. Yeah, the rest is just kind of like packaging. And then this one, I don't know what this is either. We shall find out. Ooh, it's a little bug moment. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Feel this. Wow. Again, it says Dyson on there. It's a little extra, but oh, that's so cool. Love that. Okay, like if I ever wanted to bring it with me and not bring the big box that it comes in. And so it comes with, I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks really cool. Just the packaging, but it's not even, I think it's like, I don't know, it's like motors or something, gears. This is how it looks like. It has a sticker. This is like, it's insane. Oh my god, okay. Thank you, animals that died for this freaking leather case. Unnecessary case, but necessary? I don't know. Actually, these are all unnecessary. So it comes in this case. I think it's like a dark blue. I forgot. Do you remember what color this is?
It is called, it's a special edition.
Yeah, it's a special edition, and it's the dark navy blue. Too, I will tell you, but this is how it looks
it's
like.
It's called the Prussian Blue Rich Copper.
Prussian?
Prussian
Blue Rich
Copper.
I don't know. But basically, it's a special edition. But basically, it's the
navy.
The navy one. So this is how it looks like. The packaging, I guess it tells you like a little film of how to use it. I honestly have been watching so many videos that I feel like I kind of got it. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah. Oh. Yo, look at that, dude. I don't know. Ty knows me that I do not care for anything. To be honest, I don't care for like a lot of things. Like purses don't excite me. Shoes don't excite me. Clothes don't excite me. But for some reason, this excited me so much. But it's friggin' expensive, and I was like, I don't know. Like it's so unnecessary, but whatever. You only live once now, and I just started realizing that you should just invest in things that you know that you'll be using every day. So like my hair has been thinning, and I feel like I need products that will definitely help with my hair and that it won't damage it as much, because the stuff that I probably have been using and like the tools I have been using has been probably or most likely damaging my hair. So this is actually a very big investment for a healthier hair. That's my take on it. But oh my gosh, look at this. So it comes with obviously the Dyson tool thing. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. So it's like this, I don't even know what you call the base of it. I'm gonna take this out. This packaging is just so like bouge. I can't even. Like, I feel bad opening it and ripping it off. You know what? No, I don't care. Things are supposed to be used. So I should. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it. So yeah, this is the base, and this is where the airflow goes in, the intake. Do you like that gambit? Gambit's right here. And then this is where it blows out. And this is the extension cord. Gambit. Is this worth how much? $600? Is this worth $600? Most likely not, but, oh my goodness. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the extension cord. I'm just gonna open it because I have to use it. So Marie Kondo, I follow Marie Kondo all the time, and she says, don't leave tags or like packaging on your stuff, because that means that it's gonna be like you're not committed to using it. Does that make sense? So it's just like, it's just there for show, or it's there for, you know, for just display. And I'm like not trying to do that. So I'm gonna use this. So I've been taking out the packaging and stuff. Which is actually really good because it makes me want to use it now. So, and not like pretend to use it. So basically this is, I don't know what this is. Maybe it just helps regulate the electricity so it doesn't overheat, is what I'm thinking. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it looks so luxe. It looks so amazing. I mean, I'm not complaining. This is just overboard of so much stuff that I don't even know what some of these are. And then what is this? This is the, I don't know. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like that. I'll probably look into what all of these things are, and I'll give you guys a more thorough review. So the first item in here, besides the base, is the brush. I'm gonna open the manual. So it comes with these little pamphlets. Oh, so that was the filter cleaning brush. So that little ring thing was the filter cleaning brush. And then this is the round volumizing brush. So I like that it's metal, or some kind of metal. And it looks like this. And I love the copper. Oh my gosh, this is, oh. It's so nice. Oh, and then it just attaches to the base, but most likely not. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. So there's like a lock here and an unlock. So if I unlock and then put it in and then lock it. Oh, it's locked already. Damn, okay, girl. Okay, girl. And it's actually not heavy. Like, I would think it's like super heavy, but it's not. And then there's like little dials here of like the on and off, the temperature, and then I guess how fast you want it. So that's so cool. And then you just unlock it here. Comes right off. That's cool. And then next is the firm smoothing brush. This is the firm smoothing brush, and I believe it kind of like moves up and down for every time I guess you move your hair for the airflow. I don't know, the soft smoothing brush. This thing right here. So cute. And then the next one are the barrels. So they're the Airwrap barrels, and then basically there's 4 of them if you get this one. So this is the 2 smaller ones, looks like that, and then 2 like medium-sized ones that are a little bit bigger. I know there's also an extension, like another extension that's like a lot more longer. And there's 2 because it goes, when you curl, one goes one way and the other one goes the other way. So that's why there's 2 of each. So smaller ones for tighter curls and then bigger ones for a little bit looser or wavy curls. And then the last one is called the Pre-Styling Dryer. And oh my god, look at this one! It's amazing. Oh, like Dyson is just like, they're so freaking extra, but like I love it. And again, like this is just beautiful, beautiful design. Love it in every way. Not loving the price, but girl, so cute, so cute. So yeah, the buttons are basically, the airflow control, the temperature control, and the power on them. Yeah, so I guess I was right. And that's pretty much it. And I think the one last thing is the slip. Okay, so that's what it is. So this is a non-slip mat. So I guess when you put it down, it won't slip. I actually bought something from Amazon. That was only $5 for a non-slip mat. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for my unboxing. You guys, so thankful. Thank you so much, Lovey. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
And
happy birthday.
thank you.
Happy birthday.
This is honestly a little bit more than I ever expected to even want, but
You deserve it.
but thank you, Lola. Thanks. Yes, I deserve it, man. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing, and appreciate my husband for giving me this, because again, like I said, I don't really ask for that much except besides food, but I really don't ask for anything. Like, I don't like, I told you, I'm not that materialistic, obviously this one, but yeah, I don't like shoes, clothes. I don't even want a diamond ring. I don't even want a wedding. Like, that's totally not me. And this is like, for some reason, this just sparked joy to me. So I'm so glad, and I'm glad he's investing in me with this Dyson. So thank you so much, and I'll do a full review on it soon and let you guys know how I like it. Bye. Thank you.